Welcome to this video. Forget everything you thought you knew about the new CH9 military drone belonging to the Chinese, also known as Rainbow 9. This is not just a regular UAV. CH9 is an AI-powered attack platform capable of flying and staying in the air for 40 hours, traveling over 11,000 kilometers and making more important decisions faster than most humans. Launched at the Chinese airshow, this durable drone with a stealth design has attracted attention from the world of global defense. We'll dive into what makes CH9 so innovative, how it blends artificial intelligence and firepower, and why its appearance shakes the global drone race like no other. Not only pushing the limits of technology, it destroys them with a maximum range of up to 11,000 to 15 kilometers and a cruise time of up to 40 hours. The Rainbow 9 is truly defining what we can expect from UAVs in the medium to high altitude class. This incredible range allows it to carry out missions from the Chinese border to the Korean Peninsula, Taiwan, Kyushu on Japan's beaches, western Philippines, and back to the island of Hainan, all in one flight. In comparison, even the Global Hawk, which is one of the most advanced UAVs owned by the US, can hardly compete with this ability. And let's not forget, it's at a cost nearly triple the outer capabilities. This is possible thanks to a combination of intelligent engineering and large-scale design. The CH9 has a wingspan of 24.8 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,000 kilograms, making it a heavyweight in the drone category. This size supports a substantial payload. It can carry up to 480 kilograms, large enough to accommodate advanced sensors and various types of tactical ammunition. With an operational height of up to 11,000 meters, it flies beyond most air defense systems. This makes the CH9 much harder to detect or intercept, allowing it to operate with greater effectiveness. The CH9 can undertake ISR, intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance missions, or attack operations, without being at constant risk. It is capable of traveling at speeds between 200 and 350 kilometers per hour, with a maximum speed reaching 420 kilometers per hour. This speed provides the flexibility to either loiter slowly over a target or quickly reposition as needed. But what is really distinguishing CH9 from other drones is its modular architecture. This drone can be quickly reconfigured, not only in software but also physically. Switching between pods, whether it's for electronic warfare payload, surveillance, or precision attack ammunition, can now be done faster and more efficiently than ever before. This modularity transforms CH9 into a multi-role system. Whether it's a day scout or a precision attack tool of the future, the purpose is to monitor foreign naval activities or neutralize fortified enemy positions. Rainbow 9 stands as a symbol of evolution in drone technology. Rainbow 9, or CH9, represents domination in modern airspace with its artificial intelligence and precision capabilities. Designed to combine high precision and durability, its ground control system requires only 5 operators. It's not just about having great range, but also about the ability to deploy effectively in the real world. This truly puts the drone in a class of its own. The latest CH9 has cut the time decision-making on the battlefield drastically now with the AI of drones. It is capable of completing the chain of action from detection to attack the target only in 97 seconds compared to 20 minutes on traditional speed systems. This is not only impressive, but completely changes the game. Behind this performance is artificial intelligence integrated that goes far beyond CH9 flight automation. It is capable of recognizing targets in real time, prioritizing the threat, recalculating routes and tactical adaptation, all without waiting for orders from ground personnel. Only 5 people are needed, 2 to manage flights and 3 for missions. At that time, most of their roles are only supervisory because CH9 operates autonomously from takeoff to landing, including maneuver navigation and mission execution. This level of independence reduces the operating load, increases speed, and minimizes human error, a crucial factor in a high-pressure war zone. What is more revolutionary is that CH9 is capable of coordinating with other drones and even manned aircraft. According to experts, China's defense song Jumping Rainbow 9 can act as a command platform, arranging drone formations as a herd. This means one CH9 can expand the range of its sensors and attacks through a companion drone network, making it a power multiplier on the battlefield. It provides wide reconnaissance capabilities, high attack flexibility, and even air dominance in a contested environment, all without risking human pilot lives. Further, tell us if you liked the video. If yes, please click like and share, and let's move on. And in terms of CH9 attack capabilities, with a modular system, it can be easily switched from surveillance to deadly attacks. CH9 can carry three main types of ammunition: FT series bomb, guided bomb, and precision bomb, designed to eliminate high-value targets or defensive fortresses with minimal collateral damage, ideal for To the CM-502 missile, a compact and powerful weapon for tactical ground combat. Its small size allows CH9 to carry and fire multiple missiles in one mission. LS6 launch bomb, suitable for medium-range attack, provides flexibility in a variety of battle scenarios. With all this, Rainbow 9 is becoming a modern surgical attack platform, perfect for hybrid warfare, combining firepower, intelligence, and adaptability like never before. Future Rainbow 9. CH9 air warfare is powered by AI missile technology. The CM-502 is ideal for targeting enemy armored forces or fixed infrastructure. It offers fast and precise engagement, even in messy terrain. The third part of the main armament of the CH9 is the well-known LS6 Guided Bomb. Due to its long range and advanced LS6 driver, Rainbow 9 has the ability to attack from a distance, staying safe to avoid anti-air systems and improve mission survival. The combination of these weapons makes the CH9 more than just a drone. It's not merely armed, but a complete platform for executing tactical airstrikes, making it truly deadly. What really differentiates the CH9 from other UAVs is its AI system's ability to integrate weapons into the battlefield scenario very seamlessly. Instead of just receiving commands from human operators, this drone can process target data independently, calculate the risks, assess the relative position of the target, and select the most appropriate ammunition automatically. The CH9 is like a flying arsenal, an intelligent machine that makes quick and accurate decisions under the pressure of battle. Beyond standard ammunition, the CH9 juga dapat dipersenjatai dengan pod peperangan elektronik. Bahkan muatan hypersonic makes it ideal for any anti-reconnaissance or stealth mission, gives great flexibility to military planners can change mission roles without the need for a new platform. The separate gun bay is modular, allowing any country that operates it to customize the payload according to the needs of the mission. For surveillance, border patrols, strategic or precision attacks in anti-terror operations, the CH9 is not just a strategic asset for China, but also a very exportable product. Interesting, the Rainbow 9 is more than just the new drone, it is a glimpse into the future of warfare. Combining exceptional durability of up to 40 hours of flying, advanced AI and guided weaponry with high precision, it marks a significant change in the way air power is utilized. Projected onto the modern battlefield with its ability to operate independently, coordinate with stealth fighter jets, and adapt quickly to different types of missions, the CH9 is appearing as a true power multiplier. With the opening of international export access, the CH9 is now not only shaping the battlefield of the future, but also the dynamics of global defense. This is the era of intelligent drones, and Rainbow 9 is leading it. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.